Today I'm going to tell you a technique that every beginner should practice. It's called one-side rowing in a straight line. It's essential to learn this technique, and it's based on balance. So we need to have some sense of balance. Beginners may wonder how to practice one-side rowing in a straight line without a sense of balance. So beginners can start by kneeling and practicing one-side rowing in a straight line. Be sure to practice one-side rowing in a straight line from the first day of learning SUP. Beginners need to take it step by step, rather than just pursuing speed or surfing from the start. First of all, beginners should distinguish the front and back of the paddle to prevent mistakes. Like this. Secondly, our hands should be closer to the paddle rather than away from it when we are kneeling. Rowing perpendicular to the head of the SUP is to control the direction of it, counteracting the opposing force of the rowing so that the SUP will go in a straight line. Then turning the paddle over and rowing along the side of the SUP, not too far behind the diagonal rear of the SUP. On the side or slightly to the rear is fine. Finally, turning the paddle over again and leaving the water. Now continue. Rowing perpendicular to the head of the SUP from the diagonal front. Then rowing along the side of the SUP. Slow motion teaching.